Today at Bet's Keto Kitchen, I'm making easy and delicious fresh homemade avocado oil mayo. So join me and let's get cooking. You'll need a stick blender for this, and I picked up mine at Target for less than $15. Now add 2 room temperature egg yolks to a mason jar, plus your vinegar and water, salt and onion powder, and Dijon mustard, and blend for 1 minute. Now we will very gradually pour in the avocado oil while simultaneously mixing. And you want to go at a snail's pace with this, and you will mix for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy and a mayonnaise consistency. And now we have perfectly delicious, fresh and creamy homemade mayo without all the additives and preservatives. You can store this in your refrigerator for up to a week. This is perfect for your sandwiches, on your carnivore or keto bread, and perfect for making deviled eggs for Easter. I just love having this in my refrigerator. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, leave me a comment because I would love to hear from you. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Have a great day.